Welcome to Best Chinese Medicine. Today, let's tackle constipation. Now, most of us don't really go about our day thinking too much about our bowel movements. Maybe we're pretty regular, or maybe we're kind of used to an irregularity or an issue with our bowel movements, but as the day goes on, it's not really at the top of your priority list. However, in Chinese medicine, the health of your bowel movements can tell you a lot about the health of your internal body. So, we pay a lot of attention to bowel movements and the entire digestive process in Chinese medicine. Now, we want to look at the regularity, the quality, and the consistency of a bowel movement to tell if it's healthy or not. So, we want bowel movements to be regular, once to 3 times a day. We want them to be easy to pass, well formed, and relatively painless or not causing any sort of discomfort. Many of us, however, experience changes in our bowel movements that might cause constipation. In this case, we might be going less than once every other day, sometimes only just a couple times a week. For some of us, it might mean hard stools or difficult to pass stools. We might even have trouble with things like hemorrhoids or other issues that come with straining or difficulty in the bathroom. Chinese medicine is fantastic at treating constipation. This is because herbs can be used to actually change the way that the large intestine absorbs and deals with water and hydration and nourishment in that sense. But it also helps our bodies to actually process food better. So we're getting to the root of the problem, as we do with most conditions in Chinese medicine. One specific formula that I love for treating constipation, and those who've had issues with constipation for their whole lives, is called Run Chang Wang. Now, this formula is for people who tend to the weaker side, perhaps elderly people, those who have just undergone major medical issues or long-term illness, trauma, that sort of thing, where the digestive system has been impacted. Also, if you're just somebody who's always tended to be on the slower side and it gives you trouble, this one might be a good, gentle formula to start with. The herbs in this formula are very, very gentle, healing, and tonic, and help the stool to become more moist and easy to pass. Another good formula is Bao Huan. Now, this is for the other side of things. This is for people who tend to get stuck or have a hotter constitution, or their constipation might be more due to dietary issues, stress, or other kinds of lifestyle issues such as that. This is less of a deficiency and not being able to pass a bowel movement, but more of just that the system is getting stuck up and we need to help things move, and we need to address any issues, dietary changes, that kind of thing. So those are 2 highlighted formulas, but in our blog we've got several formulas that can help to treat a various range of different issues why you might be having constipation. So check that out, read up, and see what kinds of herbs might help you get a little bit more regular.